As I gave you the question in the previous video, the first question went like this: determine the general term or the general formula or the value of Tn. If ever they are asking you for that, they want the formula for the given pattern, the pattern that you are given. For example, we are given 12, 6, 0, and -6. Firstly, I want you to first identify this pattern as a sequence or as a series. Which type of pattern is this? I gave you the difference between the series and sequences. So if ever you have the answer, just comment below. Okay, the first question went like, give the general term for the following pattern. The general term is Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1. Note that I use multiplication sign here, multiplied by D. Sorry, the reason for that is that people use, I think I told you in the last video, so I have to just proceed. A is the first term, as I told you, 12 is here. Because A is the first term, 12 is the first term. A is equal to A is equal to 12. So N will be unknown. Why is N unknown? It's because they want the nth term, meaning that they haven't given us the specific term that they want, maybe the 12th term or something like that, but they want the nth term, as the question said, or the general term or the general formula. So N will stay unknown, multiplied by, or you can even put a bracket, D. Okay, we haven't calculated for D. I gave you the formula for D. D is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T2 minus T1. This should correspond, this should be equal to this, so that you can conclude that D is constant. For example, here D is equal to T3 is 0 minus T2 is 6 is equal to 0 minus 6 should be equal to 6 minus 12. Okay, yeah. So it's going to be -6, -6. This is equal to this. Therefore, D is constant and this is a linear pattern. Therefore, you take this D and substitute there. So it's going to be Tn is equal to 12n minus 1 multiplied by -6. Then Tn is equal to, you take this and this inside, 12, oh, I forgot the addition sign, plus -6n +6. This is a positive. If ever we multiply it in, it won't change anything. Tn is equal to 12 plus 6, that's 18. This is -6, -6n plus 18. Please forgive my handwriting. So this is the general term that you have. Next thing, they were asking you for the 50th term. If ever they are asking you for the 50th term, I told you that if ever you were given that, you were asked for the 50th term, meaning that now they have given you the n, the position, the place for a specific value. They have given you that the value that you're going to get is in the position of the 50th position. Okay, so in place of n, you're going to substitute with 50. T50 is equal to, you take what you got, -650 plus 18. Don't mind this. Is equal to, then you put this in the calculator, it's going to be 110, is it 198? One something.